गाइस वेलकम हियर एंड टुडे आज हम लोग देखेंगे ऑपरेशन ब्लैकबीयर्ड क्लास 6 इंग्लिश का चैप्टर नंबर 1 के एक्सरसाइजेस और क्वेश्चन एंड आंसर्स। तो शुरू करते हैं अपने फर्स्ट चूज द बेस्ट आंसर के क्वेश्चन से। तो वहाँ पूछते हैं कि नवाब रंगीले थॉट हिमसेल्फ टू बी द रूलर ऑफ, इसका आंसर है नगदपुर। द नवाब्स फ्रेंड वॉज Sher Singh. The entire village feared Bhootnath. Nawab Rankile decided to hide under his bed. Lallu was actually Bhootnath. Now, let us see some answer the following questions. Number 1. What did Nawab Rankile tell the children? Nawab Rankile told the children that he had hunted a tiger. What did Sher Singh tell Nawab Rangile? Sher Singh told Rangile that a reward has been announced for the capture of Bhootnath. Third, what challenge did Nawab Rangile accept? Why? Nawab Rangile accepted the challenge of going into the forest to capture dreaded Dakat Bhootnath. Here, into the forest is not written. Please, you can correct it. Okay. Okay. What happened in the jungle? Nawab Rangile climbed on a tree to escape from Bhootnath. However, the Dakat was also on the same tree. Mistaking himself for someone else, Rangile invited Bhootnath to his house. What crafty plan did Bhootnath think of? Did he succeed in his plan? Bhootnath, on hearing Nawab's tall claims, decided to loot his house at night. He succeeded in his plan because the Nawab invited him to his house. How did Begum Rangili guess Lalluji's identity? The Begum, on seeing her guest, was suspicious because he looked scary and intimidating, unlike a halwai. She quickly guessed that the guest was an impostor and dreaded the cat himself. What was Begum Rangili's plan? Begum Rangili planned to add sleeping pills to the cat's food so that he would fall asleep. She would then alert her husband and the authorities and thus get him arrested. Now, the eighth question is, how did Nawab Rangile foil his wife's plan to catch the bandit? Bandit, I will tell you. The meaning of bandit is डकैत और गुंडा, और what do we call, हिंदी में गुंडा बोलते हैं वही. Nawab Rangile, being extremely enthusiastic. What does this word mean? Means to be much excited. Please note this. Enthusiastic means excited. Grabbed the plates from his wife and kept the wrong plate before the guest. This resulting in Nawab Rangile having the plate with the sleeping pills in it. In addition means to more to that, he fed his Begum the food, which resulted in both of them falling asleep while Bhootnath looted means loot लिया उनके घर को. Now, think and answer these questions. Do you think Nawab Rangile was a brave man? Support your answer with an example. So here we have something like Nawab Rangile was not a brave. He was a great storyteller and told the tales of his bravery. However, when the time came for him to go to the jungle to capture Bhootnath, he hid under his bed to escape his thoughts. It's his thoughts he was in. Sorry, it's not his. Escape from the thoughts he was in. Okay. Nawab Rangile prided himself on being a Nawab. Was this true? Was he a commoner in the village, or it is crowned ruler? What does commoner mean? Commoner means the person who is same like others are, or crown ruler means are different from other and are better than other. Okay, so let us see. Nawab Rangile was only a common man who did odd jobs for his livelihood. He belonged to an erstwhile means a healthy, wealthy, noble family which had lost his trace of its nobility long before he was born. मतलब इसके परिवार ने अपनी पूरी दौलत और शोहरत खो चुकी थी बहुत पहले जब ये पैदा भी नहीं हुआ था. What do you think was the cleverer of the two, Nawab or his Begum? Why do you think so? The Begum was the cleverer of the two, as she recognized Bhutnath as soon as she saw him, and devised a plan to give him arrested. Her husband was the less clever, as he not only invited the dacoit to his house, but he also foiled her plans. Now, the story ends with Bhutnath walking out of Nawab Rangile's house like a gentleman. Do you think Bhutnath was a gentleman? Give two reasons. It's not two, it's two reasons for your answer, okay? We have to give two reasons. The term like a gentleman was illustrate. What does illustrate means? Illustrate means something which is not correct. That Bhutnath walked out of the house unhindered. What does unhindered means? It means that no one was aware of him that he is looting the house, and walked unhindered means simply he was not scared. Unhindered मतलब कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है. Unlike a burglar who has to creep out the house he has looted. एक चोर की तरह वो नहीं भागा. जैसे चोर लोग ऐसे नहीं भागते, पूरे रश कर जाते हैं घर से जो वो चोरी करते हैं. बट भूतनाथ नहीं, क्योंकि उसे पता था कि वो आराम से जा सकता है, उस पर कोई शक नहीं करेगा. Booth was no gentleman, but he did not have to slink out of the house. Slink is the same meaning of is equal rush, okay? As in the habitants, मतलब उसके अंदर वाले, उस घर के अंदर वाले लोग थे fast as sleep, okay? सिनोनिम्स एंड एंटोनिम्स हम एक बार देख लेते हैं. ब्लंडर मतलब मिस्टेक, बर्गर मतलब रॉब, मॉडेस्ट, हम्बल, सिंपल. सो ये सब आप अपने नोटबुक में लिख सकते हैं. हाँ तो गाइस, ज़्यादा मैं आपको एक चीज़ बोलना चाहूँगी कि आप प्लीज़ हमारे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें ताकि आपको ऐसे ही सोल्यूशन वाले वीडियोस मिलते रहें एंड यू स्टडी मोर. टिल देन बाय बाय एंड कीप लर्निंग.